having my good health, because of which I am live my life very happily.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for my good health.
Thank you so much that today I spent this 1 hour of deep gratitude with my husband because it really makes me feel connected with him. Sadis, quickly. All of you unmute. कोई टाइम ही नहीं लगे. Unmute. Sajid, unmute. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Thankful for my wife because it makes me aware that what is selflessness and what is unconditional love. Thank you.
Wow, love that. Sangeeta, quickly.
I am thankful for having this life where I can get anything and everything that I want.
Love that. Beautiful. Sakuntala.
I'm thankful to Manisha ma'am because every day she tells me you are a beautiful soul. Thank you.
Thank you. Harshita.
I'm so grateful to have my daughter Anaira because she makes my life more motivated and worthful.
Tanu.
I'm so thankful for having a loving, caring, and understanding husband. Thank you so much, Aditya. I love you.
Oh, wow, love that. Jennifer. Mute. You are muted. Yes.
I am thankful for all the blessings I have. I count my blessings and for all the people around me who make it a better place.
Okay. Dr. Jayashree. Beautiful. Continue.
I'm thankful of thank you for my family members, including my spouse, my daughters, and my in-laws and my parents. Because of them, I'm standing myself as an independent woman and working for myself and for the society. So thank you so much.
Great. Loving you. I'm loving the format. Jayashree is following the format beautifully. Great. So I'm really thankful that through my work I'm able to meet such beautiful pure soul, and everybody who comes in contact with me, I know one thing, that they are purest soul. So I love that. They're completely pure. There's no inside different and outside different. I know the inside and out is same, and I can see that through it. So I am so grateful that I have people like me around me. Yes. Sajid.
I'm so happy and grateful for this moment because it makes me to understand the value of existence and the being. Thank you so much.
Love that. Sangeeta.
I'm so grateful to have this body that is free from all kind of illness and is active, energized, and refreshed.
Great. Thank you.
Uh,
The 3 words, 3 magical words all the time. Make it a practice. उसके बाद मुंह से निकले ही ऐसे. Yes, Shakuntala.
I'm very thankful to my daughter Ayusha. Because of her, I am becoming a lifelong learner and staying energetic the whole day. Thank you.
Love that. Shakuntala, I'm loving how you are feeling it every time you're seeing. I can see that on your face. So love that. That's very, very important. More great gratitude, more it will magic. Less grateful in your heart, less magic. Your choice. Yes, Harshita.
I'm so grateful to have my mentors Manisha and Shruti because they have taught me a different way of living life and making my life more beautiful.
Thank you. Tanu. Unmute करके रखो खुद को.
I am so grateful for having my son Chico in my life because he gave me the new title of mom. And because of him, I always feel happy, joyful, and peaceful from inside. When I hold him in my arms, it completes me.
Wow.
I'm so grateful and thankful for him. Thank you so much, Chico, for coming into my life. I love you.
Loving it. Jennifer.
I'm so thankful for my parents because regardless of anything, they've always been my strong supporters and they have got me out of anything and everything.
Love that. Dr. Jayashree.
I am thankful to my all gurus because of them, I am on spiritual path with along with my family members. Those are allowing me to be in this spiritual path, and all mentors, including you, Manishadi. I'm really thankful because of this. I'm in this spiritual path and finding myself as a pure soul, and it will really help in my whole life. So thank you so much.
Love that. Thank you so much. I'm super grateful for my daughter Misha as she's studying super hard for her exams. So I'm very grateful to see her that she's actually working very hard because it gives me fulfillment as a mother. Sajid.
I'm so thankful to my mentor and my, you know, light Manisha, because she makes me understand that you are not alone. You can do many things, and irrespective of what you learn and listen, there is magic exists, and every individual soul can be magical, and helping me understand that I am one among them. And thank you, Manisha, so much.
Thank you. Sangeeta.
I'm so grateful to be born as the daughter of my mother, as she wakes me up and stays by my side in every thick and thin. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Great. Shakuntala.
I'm thankful to my husband Yuvraj because he cares us a lot, loves us, and he always encourages me to learn a new skill every day.
Wow.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Love that. Next.
I'm so grateful to my husband Arun for being in my life and supporting me through uh, different situations in life and pushing me to do many things in life.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Love that. Next.
I'm so grateful for my parents and my siblings because they love me unconditionally. Whenever I needed them, they were always there for me. So I'm so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, mummy, papa, thank you, दीदी, भैया, भाभी, सब लोग को बहुत सारा thank you. I'm so grateful.
Beautiful. Next. Jennifer.
Now it's for everybody, right?
No, your choice. Anything.
I am grateful for who I am, what I value, and what I have been given.
Great. Love that. Bharat. Jayashree.
I'm thankful of my husband. Because of him, I'm actually taken my postgraduate education, and he always support me to be stand on my feet and to give the services to the people. So, and he always caring and supporting during my all bad patches in my life. So I'm really grateful and thank you so much, dear Arun. Thank you so much.
Wow. I'm super grateful for the faith that I have on myself and universe because it really gets me through thick and thin. No matter what's happening in the outside, I always have a strong faith, and that really carries me through the day and through life. So I'm super grateful for the faith that I have in myself and my God.
I'm so happy and grateful for the musicality in me, because it helps me connect with the universe a lot easier and to understand the calmness, sereneness of the world and the magic in it. So thank you so very much, the musicality.
Thank you, universe, for giving me such a lovely family, such a lovely sister who backs me up financially also. Every time I need money, she gives me without asking for why and when I will return. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Just soak in the gratitude, all of you. Soak in. Yes.
I'm thankful to myself because I started loving myself. I started taking care of myself. I'm learning new things and I am being consistent after being joined to Manisha ma'am. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Loving that. Amazing. That's the whole purpose of this, where you are into consistent journey. So I'm so grateful that you are doing that. Great, all of you. Super proud of each one.
I'm so grateful that super grateful to my body, resilient body and mind, because they have always supported me and are continuously supporting me throughout the life. Thank
Amazing.
you, thank you, thank you.
Great.
I'm so grateful for my good health, because of which I am able to speak, smile, walk, talk, and do all my work all by myself. Thank you, health. Thank you so much.
Great. Jennifer.
I am so thankful for my voice and that I am able to express myself and put words to what actually I am going through or what I am and how I want to exhibit myself.
Great. All soak in the gratitude, all of you. Just soak in the gratitude circle, the gratitude energy that we have created. Just soak in inside. And then we'll move to the next activity. All right. If you can hear me and you can see my screen, just say yes.
Yes.
Great. Now, I would love you to take out your notebook and I would love you to think about back to your childhood, or after ending of the session, you will write down the concepts, right? We will continue building, and the Saturday, Sunday, you're not going to leave it. Promise? I want you to build as a person. So that means every single day, not a single day you will miss. Okay, so you will write that 10 things of gratitude that is there in your journal every single day. Now, I would love you to 5 minute take and think through your childhood, the things that were provided to you at no charge. You were a child, right? You were not earning, but you got food to eat. How many of you got food to eat when you were a child? All of you, right? All of you. Wow. Just say, did you get breakfast, dinner, and lunch, all three? But you were not earning. But money was there in your life, right? Remember, gratitude is in riches and complaint lies in the poverty. So come on, look up and say, thank you, thank you, thank you for all the food that I've got throughout my life. Even when I was not earning. You were not earning, remember? How many of you live in a home and not on streets? How many of you were in a home? Oh yeah, all of you. Wow. You all were in a home, not on streets. There are people who live on streets, right?
I was in a boarding school.
You you were in a boarding school from bachpan,
Yeah, from 6.
from class 6, na? At least I'm talking
No,
about.
when I was 6 years old.
Okay, when you were 6 years old. Okay, you were somewhere, right? There was home. That was
Yeah.
your home. So all of you got your home. All of you look up and say, thank you, thank you, thank you. Really feel that, yeah, I've got a home without me paying the bill of the rent. You, did you receive education for many years? All of you? Anybody?
Yes.
LKG, UKG, 1, 2, 3, graduation, post graduation, PhD. All of you. Oh my God, how amazing, how beautiful. All of you have got so much. Come on, look up and say thank you for all the education, because money comes when you are grateful for what you have and what you have got previously. How did you travel to school each day? Did you have transport or you went paddle paddle? Did you have
Pedal, फिर cycle, फिर bike, or car.
cycle, bike? Oh my God, cycle, bike, car, all of you.
I was pedal because it was Baju mein. My school was my boarding school.
Okay, all right. Look up and say thank you to the transport that you got. You were not traveling long distances paddle. You had transport fees. You had the transport at home, right? Did you go on any vacations when you were a child? Any small vacation, big vacation, chota vacation, vacation also? Come on, look up and say thank you for all the vacation. And you, by the way, you didn't pay a penny for that. It just came to you, right? The most important. What were the most exciting birthday gifts? Was your birthday celebrated when you were young?
Yes.
The cake? Did you got the samosa? Did you got something? Some of you didn't, and some of you,
Yes.
yes. If you got it,
Yes.
look up and say, "Wow, my God, I'm living in luxury. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really got my birthday celebrated."
खुद का नहीं मिला तो I've eaten बाजू वाले का, so it's okay.
Great. Did you had bike, toys, pet? Anybody? Bike or any
Yeah.
toy to play or pet? Come on, look up and say
Sure.
thank you. Or some childhood money has been your companion. You have just not seen it enough. Did you had clothes to wear? And if you grew up quickly, you had new clothes?
Hmm.
Or you had to fit yourself in the old clothes only? You had new, right? Whenever you want. Wow, look up and say thank you. I really feel that. Did you go to the movies, play sports, have any musical instrument, or you used to pursue any hobby, any dance
Yeah.
class, any singing class? Oh wow, say thank you for that because money took care of you. Did you go to the doctor when you used to fall ill? Wow, money took care of you. Look up and say thank you. Did you go to the dentist, or if yes, look up and say thank you. Did you travel in a car? Wow, well, look up and say thank you. Did you watch television? Did you have?
Yes.
Wow, look up and say thank you. All of these things cost money. All of these things, right? And you received all of them at no charge, zero charge. Can you see the miracle of the world? Zero charge. Everything. Travel cost money. Going from one place to another cost money. Car cost money. Home cost money. It cost money, right? But you were given all of that. So come on, all of you, really take a minute and say deeply thank you for all the things you have received with no charge. The key here is to feel it.
Great.
More you are thankful for all the money that you have got throughout, money will keep on increasing in your life magically. But are you grateful for what you have? If you are not, what you have will also be taken away from you. That's the universal law. Remember the first line, which is the base of this. Whoever has will be given more, and whoever doesn't have, what you have will also be taken away from you. Right? All right, let's move. So now write this in either in a piece of, if you have a 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, take it and write it. Or if you have a bill of a mall or you have bought something, you can write it on a bill. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. And put it somewhere where it will remind you of abundance of money that you are already living in because you have been taken care of all the time. Thank you, Bharat. It's not my birthday, it's my anniversary. 13th anniversary. 13 साल हो गए. All right. Great. So put it somewhere where can you see we are creating a new environment for you? How many of you are realizing that? We are not changing just internally, I'm changing your outer environment. so that the gift of health is keeping me alive. Now you have this new thing. Thank you for all the money that I've been given through. You could keep it in wallet if you use wallet a lot and you take out money, cards. If you don't use a wallet a lot, keep it at a place where you can see it. And every time you come across, I would love you to stop for a second and really read it. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life, and really feel grateful. And you will see magic happening in your life just by this one exercise in your money journey. All of you ready to experience magic in your money journey? Right? Let's move. While you will be at work today, this will be your homework. I would love you to imagine an invisible manager. All of you want success in your work, right? So today, I'm telling you the secret how to get successful in your work. When you are at work today, I would love you to see that an invisible manager is going around you. So you are not alone. An invisible manager is going and writing up something. What they are writing? Every time you find something to be grateful in work, oh my God, I'm so grateful that I get my salary at 30th. I'm so grateful that I'm able to meet this person. I'm so grateful that I have receptionists and people to serve me. I'm so grateful I have laptop through which my work becomes easy. I'm so grateful I have internet through which. Anytime you find something to be grateful for, you will get a point. Okay? So I would love you to do this throughout the day today. Okay, that will be your homework. All of you write down this. Anytime you find something to be grateful for in your work. Yes, Sangeeta.
But if I am not working as for now, so
Whatever work you are doing some work, right?
nothing at all.
Household? Household?
No.
Oh, household work also you're not doing. Then skip this. Skip this exercise then.
I'm just taking care of the
And
baby.
just be grateful for that. Oh my God, there are people to take care of the work, and I can just enjoy and take care of the baby and relax. And wow, oh my God, what a life I'm living. Just be in gratitude of that, right? Wow. So imagine this invisible manager going back and noting down, and more point you get, more magic you will see in your work. More promotions and everything. One of the people in EY was saying, I was needing that project since a lot of time, but I was not getting that project. I was not getting that project because pata nahi kyun, but they were not giving. And I just told them also that I really want that project. I can do well and whatever. As I started to do this practice, they themselves came and gave me the project, though they have given it to somebody else. Pata nahi how come they changed it, and I didn't ask it for also. पहले मैंने मांगा था तो भी नहीं मिला था मुझे. That's the magic. You become the magnet. All of you ready to become the magnet? Because you are the magnet. The thing is, what are you attracting? You are already the magnet. What are you attracting? That's the question. Because now you are putting in the right things, you will be attracting the right things. Right? Okay. Before bed, not to forget the practice. Where is my rock gone? Before the bed, I would love you to hold your rock. For now, also hold your rock. Think of a memory, the best memory of yesterday. And say thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Great. Beautiful. Just remember, a thankful person is thankful under all circumstances. All. All means all. There is no exception. Ki nahi Manisha, but I am. Doesn't matter where you are, what you are doing. If you are a thankful person, you will be thankful under all circumstances. You had an accident, you will be thankful. You had XYZ, you will be thankful. No matter what has happened, you will be thankful. You'll find something to be thankful for. Okay, this is a beautiful quote by Gautam Buddha. Let us rise and be thankful for. We didn't learn a lot today. At least we learned. ठीक है, बहुत नहीं पढ़ा, कुछ तो सीखा. If we didn't learn a little, at least we didn't get sick. And if we got sick, if we got sick, at least we're alive. We are breathing. Let us all be thankful, because all of these great teachers knew. We thought, oh, it's a good habit to be thankful. That is what we thought, right? It's a good thing. No, all of these teachers knew that to increase things in your life, that's the only way. The amount of gratitude you hold in your heart for someone, for people, for things, more will be given. And whoever does not have, I will keep repeating this, what you have will be taken away from you. If you're not grateful for your health will be taken away. If you are not grateful for your relationship, that will be taken away. If you are not grateful for your things, that will be taken away. If you're not grateful for the money and salary and whatever comes in your life, that will be taken away. Understanding, getting that, very, very, very important. All right. So, Saturday, Sunday homework. Today's homework you have written. I want you to be in gratitude every single day. So you will write down this or take a picture of this. I will also take a picture. I will send it to each one of you. Saturday, Sunday. Don't leave it. Promise. So Saturday, Sunday homework will be this complete thing. Let me share my screen. Which is, I'm sending it to you also. You will write down 10 things for which you are grateful for completely. I'm grateful for this because, the same format. You will just not write I'm grateful for this. I'm grateful for air because it is allowing me to live. I'm grateful for this flower because I feel so beautiful when I look at it, whatever it is. Then you will choose one problem or negative situation in your life that you want to resolve. Any one problem or any negative situation in your life that you want to resolve. Any one, okay? And then you will write, what are the good things in that? Okay, I had an accident, but I'm happy that all of us got saved. I had an accident, but I'm happy that only a little cut came. I had an accident, but I'm happy there were people around to support me. I had an accident, but I'm happy that it was at the place where my closed one lived nearby. So they all came to help me. I had an accident, but I'm happy that I was completely in my senses. I had an accident, but I'm happy. So can you see, and a pause in a negative situation, how many positive things I can find? And if you become this, you are going to vibrate at a very different level. Can you all, it's very easy to be grateful in good things. Can you be grateful in bad things? But the world will say it's bad. If you can, trust me, you are going to live a very different life. Very different life. Right? So list down the 10 things for which you are grateful in that negative, any negative situation that you are terming as negative. I would love you to write down what are the 10 things for which you are grateful for. Then at the end, you will write thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution of this. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution of this. All of you understood this exercise? It's a little lengthy. And so one day without, so Saturday, Sunday will be your day where you're going to go throughout the day without saying any negative. And by chance, if you say any negative, oh my God, I hate this. But I'm very thankful I have a house. But oh my God, I hate this corner of the house, looks so ganda. But I'm so thankful that I have a house. I'm so grateful that I have this beautiful piece of furniture. I'm so grateful that... Are you getting that? So by mistake, kuch galti se nikal gaya. I would love you to stop and say, but I'm also grateful for. I just hate my husband gets late, but I'm also grateful. He's so patient. He's so... right? I'm so frustrated that she's never studying, but I'm so grateful that she's such an obedient child. She's such a sweetheart. Are you getting me? By mistake, गलती से कुछ निकला, correct it and just say, but I'm also grateful for. Can
I'm
you do that? Yes, Sangeeta.
I'm having a doubt, and
Yes.
not doubt, it's a concern actually. We are so into this negative wala thing that sometimes we don't even notice that we are saying something negative or we are thinking something negative.
Right.
Saying is must control, but thinking is beyond control. Like
So no
at this
thinking.
level.
I'm talking about words. Words. मुंह से कुछ निकला तो not at the thinking level. Words. When you
Okay.
have spoken out, ठीक है, when गलती से निकल गया, change it quickly, right? All of you will do this, play this game. Yesterday I had a client, and the client was so beautiful. I want my ex back, so I thought I don't help people getting your ex back, so I'll not be able to help you. I can help you get a best relationship, but the exact same person, I'm not the right one for you. And he said so beautiful, Manisha ma'am, let's play the game now. It's okay. It's okay. Can you please help me to play this game? It's okay if she doesn't come back, but can we just play the game for the sake of playing? I said, yes, 10-10. For the sake of playing the game, I can, but I can't guarantee you to get your ex back. I'm not that tantric baba to get it back. So I don't know that. I can get you the right relationship, attract the right person. And he said so beautifully, ma'am, let's play the game now. Let's play. And I loved it. Let's play the game. So all of you, play the game. Enjoy the game. Okay? One day without any negative. Before going to the bed, magic rock. All of you are doing this? Before going to the bed, magic rock, and hold it and say, oh wow, I'm so grateful for this. Today was the best day because. Today was the best day because. Or the best memory of today. So this line will help you find the best thing. Today was the best day because. Right? All right. So we'll meet on Monday. Take rest Saturday, Sunday, and then we will meet on Monday. I'll stop sharing. Well done. All of you are vibrating at a new frequency. I'm grateful that each one of you are going on a very different note now. I hope all of you are enjoying it. Are you all enjoying the practices? Are you seeing yourself vibrating differently? Perfect. Then mera jo kaam ho gaya. I'm happy. Wishing you a very happy anniversary. Wishing you a lifetime of togetherness and everlasting love. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, each one of you, and take care. And we will meet on Monday, Saturday, Sunday. अपना ध्यान रखना. Monday से मैं रखूंगी. 2 दिन रख लेना. ठीक है? 2 दिन रख लेना. 2 दिन इसको बचा के रखना. Monday I will give you more. Okay? All right? Sending you lots of love. Don't leave the practices. That's the only power you have. You have that, the only power. All right? Take care. Bye. Bye, Sangeeta. Bye, Dr. Jayashree. Bye, Shakuntala. Bye, Harshita. Bye, Jennifer. Bye, Tanu. Bye, Sajid. Bye, Bharat. Bye, all of you. Sending so much of love, a lot of blessings. May each one of yours life filled with happiness, love, joy, and gratitude. And you will be like, oh my God, I'm just living a new, beautiful princess life. That is the kind of vibration all of you emit, and you attract more and more and more because you are meant for more, because you all are miracle makers. Right? You all are miracle makers. Thank you. Right back at you. Yes. Receiving is in giving. So give, give, give. Love you. Bye. Take care. Bye. Take care.